I don't wake up to one alarm. I wake up to a full concert lineup. I got alarms at 7, 7:05, 7:07. Even my alarm clock is like, pick a personality. First alarm is the hopeful version of me. Second one is like, okay, be serious. Third one, that's the aggressive one, the get your life together alarm. And somehow I still negotiate with it, like 5 more minutes. Who am I talking to? It's a machine. At this point, I got so many alarms, I don't wake up, I attend a meeting. 7:05 introduction, 7:05 denial, 7:10 depression, 7:15 acceptance. By the time I actually wake up, I'm already late and somehow still tired.